Good
Hi.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Once again, we are back to our channel to make a new video.
Hi viewers. It's not an easy to make such kind of video. Still then we are trying our level best to satisfy our viewers.
And then today making video was very tough to work hard. Actually, it's not easy to work with the people and interrogating with the strangers, but we try our level best. And
So please do subscribe us.
yeah.
And please comment below if you like our video. Never forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to give this one.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and comment below. If you really want to say something, please comment below and share your. Hi, hello. आपका नंबर ले सकेगा?
क्यों?
नंबर ले सकेगा? ले सकेगा? दो ना होने से. अंकल वीडियो होगा? वीडियो नहीं है होने से दो नहीं तो होगा वीडियो. बहुत खाने दिन लग गया. हाँ राइटर नहीं है. राइटर नहीं होने से किसे खाएगा ना. देखिए पापी में तो खाने के लिए भी शर्म लगता है. हम ठीक है थैंक यू. हाँ नहीं खाएगा खाना शर्म लगता है. होने से दो नहीं तो टुकड़ा खाने बहुत दिन लग गया. एक प्लीज नहीं है एक दो ना. नहीं है तो ओह ठीक है थैंक यू. हाँ
हमारा नंबर दे सकता क्या?
क्या करने?
एक्चुअली ऐसा ही कभी टाइम पास बात करने को.
ठीक है ले लो.
ओके ओके तो आपका नंबर बोलिए.
94 766 04
ओके थैंक यू. ये आपका नंबर ना हम कॉल करके देखता. एक्चुअली हम लोग प्रैंक वीडियो बनाया. हाँ डोंट माइंड. और आप जाने से हम लोगों का यूट्यूब फ्रेश टॉक से चैनल का वहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा.
ओके जरूर करूँगा.
थैंक यू. Can I have your number?
Yes, open of course.
Okay, then say. Wait, actually, I need a friend, so. New here. Yeah, say.
Double
88.
What's your name?
1 2 9. Yeah, thank you.
What's your name?
Hi.
What's your name?
My good name is Tracy.
Tracy.
Hi, yours? I'm staying here only. This is only I came. And your name?
My name is Moon Gambret. Nice to meet you.
Okay, wait, Yeah. Where are you staying?
Yeah, I'm straight from Medical Hospital.
Okay, nice to meet you. Actually, now
Same to you.
I don't know many people now, so
Yeah.
I thought of talking just. And actually, to tell you the truth, we were just making a YouTube video. Okay, that's why I asked you your number.
Oh.
But don't mind. It's just a prank.
Don't must say, it's okay.
And then, if you they are shooting the video, please subscribe to our channel.
It's okay, no
Press
problem.
stop. And thank you.